fool.
You are mad.
You are a goat. You must be very foolish to think I will allow you carry this Boropos carton inside here.
And you must be very senseless to think I will make way for you to go in. What is wrong with you? Is it because you're driving this thing? No, you wait back. I am talking to you. You are not going inside. I will go before you, so stay back and watch.
You mad? Cheku, open this gate. Open this gate. Open the gate. Open my gate. I'm never opening. You're very stupid. I don't want to get physical.
Oh, go ahead. I do not want to get physical. Get out, idiot. Look at you. When he was doing his father's plan, where were you? Were you there to support him?
Even if I wasn't present physically, because I was out of the country, ask him. I supported massively the cows, the canopy tents, the celebrities that performed.
Oh, keep quiet.
It was all my money.
Keep quiet. I equally supported him financially. Yes. I was there to make sure everything was okay. Where were you?
Really? Huh?
Tell her to live your life for good.
Oh, keep quiet. Shut up.
Will you both keep quiet? I have warned you not to come to my office and be misbehaving. Huh? Aren't you girls ashamed of always doing this in my office? Huh?
Sorry. Please.
Who is your sugar? You mad? Are you crazy? Baby, don't mind this stupid girl. Look at me, Steve. It's your baby. You know I love you. I won't, if not this girl, fooling herself.
Enough. Haven't I warned you to stop coming to my office to do this nonsense? Huh?
Please. Is this girl that did not go to school?
That's keep quiet!
Raz.
Who is Raz?
Yes.
I can slap the hell out of you.
Both of you, keep quiet! Now get out of my office. Out.
Yes, thank you. You heard him. Didn't you hear him? He said get out of his office, Rita. Are you mad?
Hey,
he said get out!
Get up.
Get out!
Hey, I said the both of you should leave my office.
Baby.
I mean both of you. Enough of this nonsense.
Baby. Out! Will you stand up and get out of his office, idiot?
Out! Nonsense.
Can you at least pick up that call and hear the young man out?
I don't want to hear him out. I already know what he wants to say. He wants to tell me how much he loves me, how he's going to spoil me, do this, do that. I'm not cut out for that crap. You know, men are generally wicked. They are scum. And I will never fall for anyone, no matter how sweet the person sounds.
Wow. And I'm going to ask you a simple question. Have you been with all men? Yes, because how on earth did you know that all men are scum? Give him a chance before you classify him among the men that are scum.
You're sounding as if you don't have a phone. Are you not on the social media? Are you not seeing what's going on? How some are being beaten to death by their husband? How women are being maltreated all in the name of relationship and marriage? Are you not seeing all of that? Do I need to be with all men to know they are scum? They are generally scum and wicked. Yes.
Okay.
So I don't want to experience any of that. If I die single, it's fine. I just want to live a happy life.
Okay. But I pray that you meet a man that will sweep you off your foot someday.
That's hilarious. Oh, could that man possibly be? It's not possible. Listen, any day you hear that I'm in love, remind me, I'll give you 1 million naira.
Wow. Wow. Now this is betting. And I am so much interested. I can't wait.
Do you know this stupid guy is still calling?
Babe, please now pick up his call.
I won't.
Okay, should I help you talk to him? At least I will pretend to be you. Let's hear him out. Let's hear what he has to say.
Why? Why would you want to do that?
Because I'm looking out for you.
Where's your phone? Attend to your guys. Allow me. I'm not caught out for that crap.
Well, son, the zenith of this meeting is to remind you of returning back home to come and replace your father, the late king, now that the mantle of leadership rests on your shoulders.
And the throne is rightfully yours. You need to think home first, Fred. And that's what your mom has been trying to tell you.
I've heard you. And I'll make plans when it's best suitable for me to return to the village.
Okay. My prince, you don't need that comfort to plan anything. You just come home and mount on the throne that have been waiting for you. There are things to take over. And your mother have been holding brief for you all this while.
Oh, no. Yes, mother. Just like I said, I will make plans on when it's best suitable for me to come back home. I can't just abandon my company. I hope you understand.
Okonwo, did you hear that? Imagine what a prince of a land is saying. Are you getting any sense from him? Is there any hope?
I believe he knows what is at stake here, Flynn. Because he wouldn't want the cabinet chiefs to call him for a meeting.
What do you want? And if you ask him about any close tie with any good girl, he will start telling you about heartbreak and all what not.
Come on, mother. You know my experience with these women. It has been chaotic. I've been trying my best. Look, I don't just want to bring home any kind of woman in which you, my mother, will criticize the living daylight out of her and remind me my place as a prince. So please, allow me. Be patient.
My queen, in this area you have to give him some time. Looking for a wife, it's when you will know that all the girls you've been meeting are nowhere close to wife material.
There you go. No.
In that case, I have to look into it too. It's not a problem.
It's okay.
What is going on here? Stephanie. What is the meaning of this, Stephanie? Why on earth are you blocking my gate with your car? What is going on?
Nothing is going on. I came, but your gate man won't let me in.
Let you in for what? Huh? What exactly do you want us to talk about that we have not already talked about? Huh? We agreed to move on with our lives.
No, we did not, Fred. We did not. Maybe you're thinking I was where you talked to. Maybe it's that stupid girl, Rita, whatever her name is. I don't care. Come on, Fred. Why are you doing this to me?
Move your car out of my gate.
No.
What are you doing?
Fred.
Oh, please. Oh,
Please,
no.
Fred.
No, you're embarrassing me.
No, wait,
This
see.
is Get up.
I really want to apologize for
Oh,
everything I have
goodness.
done to you.
We're
Please
in the
forgive
public.
me.
Please, can you get up?
I don't care. All I need is your listening ear. Give me a listening ear.
All right, you have my listening ear. All
For
right.
real?
Just get up. Get up. It's okay. Just... Can you move your car out of the way so that I can get into my house?
No.
Jeku?
Sir.
Open the gates.
No.
Why?
I'm not moving my car. How can I move my car? You said you're going to give me a listening ear. I have to move driving, and then you drive in. Please, Fred. Please, I beg you.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I will give you my listening ear.
Thank you.
Okay? Do you want just this one or that one?
I want both.
Oh, please.
I can't What?
Why? You can't confidently watch what you made? That's your handwork. Keep watching it. Aren't you proud of yourself?
I know I did wrong, Fred. Please forgive me. I beg.
I've forgiven you already. Of course. If not, there's no way you will be in my house with me, seated this way, talking. Okay? So, let's just agree to move on with our lives. What are you doing?
Fred.
No, you don't have to sit back down.
Please.
What are you kneeling down for?
I know I know I was wrong. I was wrong. Please forgive me, I beg you, Fred.
Stephanie, please don't even piss me off. Don't get me mad right now. If I was the one in a bar frolicking with another girl, how would you take it? Would you even take it? How would it make you feel?
Bad.
Good. I'm glad you know the right answer.
I know, Fred. That's why I say I am sorry. I meant every word I am saying. I am truly sorry, please. It's my bad. But we actually met at the wedding and we started discussing along the line. We ran this video in your phone, but it's gone.
Look,
please.
I have nothing else to tell you. But you, Stephanie, you know that I am not the kind of guy that would let this slide. Get out of my house. Right now.
No. I know.
Out. We are done. Stephanie, no. Stephanie.
Why can't you melt my heart? Show me the reason.
Sam.
Yes.
This our chair is far apart, so I will not be shouting if I want to talk to you.
I can hear you now.
Sammy, me, I know you've been cutting eyes for me since, but there's nothing I can do. You know I love Fred.
Me cutting eyes on you?
Yes.
No. When I had my eyes on you, has long gone. It expired the day you went out with my friend, Fred. Yes.
So you mean that if I come to you and kiss your lips, you still not want me?
Please, this is not what we are saying. I thought you came here to tell me I should help you and talk to my friend and know how he will come back to you. So why are you saying another thing?
You talk too much. You're shouting. See, why don't you take me inside? You know, lead me in as a gentleman that you are. Sam.
Yes, Samson.
Samson.
One and only Samson. Okay, I should lead you like a gentleman.
As you.
Come with me. Come. I should behave like a gentleman.
Of course.
I'm already gentle. Oh, you are so sweet. You are so sweet.
Oh my goodness.
Anyway.
Now that you know, how are you going to help me?
Help you? That's why you still talking like this now. Look, once I get to my guy's house, I will talk to him. There's no two ways about that.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
I appreciate you.
You are welcome. As far as I'm concerned, you are the chosen one. You are the chosen one. So, look. Fred is my very good friend. Once I get to his house... What is that? Why are you looking at me like that?
It's just that.
Just like what?
You see, I liked what we did upstairs. Yes, it was so nice.
You like what I did upstairs? You want it again?
I want us to do it again.
I'm going home and wine. Listen, this time around, as we are going there, I want you to crucify me. If possible, tear me apart. You get it?
See. I don't even know why you're still crying. Look at the things I bought for you. LV. I had to beg Amaka to order these things and ship them down from America. They are very expensive, but I don't mind. Smile now. Sugar, please. I'm sorry. Forgive me. Eh? Why are you doing like this? See, I got all these things just to make you happy. Still, you are frowning your face.
Really?
Fred, I am the one that suits you as your princess. Please, my love, forgive me. I beg you. Eh?
Really? Really? Do you think that these things will make me change my mind? Did you imagine that I would change my mind because of these things you brought here?
Sorry. Let me transfer money to you. Maybe you don't like LV. You can buy Prada or Balenciaga. Please, eh? I'm sorry.
Stop. Enough. Stop. Okay? I'm the one that is supposed to be doing this, not the other way around. How did you ever imagine that we could be together again after the shock you gave me? Or you're preparing to give me another shock? Part 2? Shock Pro Max? Huh?
Who doesn't want to have anything to do with who? And who gave you a shock?
Look at the things I bought for your friend. I've been begging him. Please, forgive me. Forgive me. Forgive me. What did I do that other people have not done and they forgave them? Help me talk to him now. He's still frowning.
All this for my friend?
Yes.
Risa, excuse us. Please. Yes, I will give you a call later.
Just go, okay? Go home. No, please.
Wear them, yeah? You will like it.
No, please, take them with you. I don't want any of this. Please, take them with you.
Wear them. You're going to like it. Especially this one. I love you, baby.
Plenty sacrifice for love, oh, negodi. I fit to do anything for sweetie darling. I fit to do anything for my love. I fit to do anything for sweetie darling. Love, you're my choice. Now you know my heart. Love, you're my choice.
Hey, big madam. Welcome, ma.
Check on now.
Welcome.
Why you there?
Alright.
Oganko.
Inside.
What's up, Fred?
What's up? About Instagram, Facebook. Please, don't start with me.
Look, Fred, you have to think about it and know what you have to do with these girls.
What are you doing here, you boyfriend snatcher?
Stephanie, you know you are very razzle. Eh? What's all these shenanigans? If I were you, I would have shame. Eh? What are you still doing here? After they caught you making out with your boyfriend in public, in a bar.
You keep quiet. You must be very, very stupid and silly for saying that. What is wrong with you? Rita, wasn't your work? You did Chris.
Please, 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 I don't even have time for nonsense. Jeku!
Ma?
Jeku! Oh yeah, mash this thing out of here.
Wait till they happen for here. Wait till they happen. Person never get admission. You know they find roommates. Which kind of hard be this? See, my organ don't like this kind of thing. You know they like him. You know they like him.
Jeku, tell these idiots. This good for nothing, I don't even know how to describe it. Tell you to make it get the hell out of this place. Are you mad? You can't raise voice for me.
You see, your time are supposed to be in this zoo. What are you? Who let you out? Oh yeah, Jeku, take out of this place. And the next time I see her in this compound, I will sack you. Before I sack you, I will beat you up. Oh yeah, match.
You what?
Oh yeah, out.
Try it out. Try it out. Rita, try it.
I'm gonna like this kind of thing.
Are you mad?
I'm gonna like this kind of thing.
I don't wear low. Forget if I don't wear wig, I don't wear low.
You are
mad. You are mad.
You are a ras.
Rita,
Jeku,
if I give you low.
I'm gonna like you.
If I give you low.
Come they go. Madam, come they go. Madam, come they go. Come they go.
Don't let me forget, ma'am.
Come they go. I'm gonna let come they go.
Mad, push out. Get the hell out of this place.
Facility plenty sacrifice for love.
Sam. Yes. What you just said now is unacceptable. And please do not push any further. Please.
Fred, all I'm saying is that we should give her another chance. Everyone deserves a second chance.
A second chance indeed. It seems like you've suddenly forgotten what she did. Huh? Should I remind you?
Fred, she didn't commit a crime. Everyone deserves a second chance in life. Except you are the devil himself that you can't forgive.
What is wrong with all these girls?
Hey, Sam, good afternoon.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Lord help me. Can't I have my peace? Hey, stop. Can't I have my peace?
Hey, Sam, good afternoon.
You heard what he said? He said he need peace.
Sam, please, I heard him.
Stop.
Fred, I'm leaving.
Go now.
Sam, I want to talk. Fred, I said I'm leaving.
Sam.
Yes.
What just happened? Why didn't you want to give her listening ears? But you gave Rita an opportunity to talk.
Yes. I believe she's the reason you are avoiding Rita. After all, she's the one that came for you. Instead, you went for Rita.
Steph, what exactly are you doing here? Don't you ever listen?
Because I've sinned against you and it's been disturbing me.
But I told you I've forgiven you. From the depth of my heart, I have forgiven you.
Fine. Then accept me back, please.
No.
Give me a second chance.
No. How long do we keep doing this? Huh? How long?
Have you seen it? Have you seen it, Fred? You love me so much, but you're keeping it back. You're holding it back, Fred.
Hello. Wait. Steph, where is this coming from? Are you okay?
Yes. I'm okay. Because I heard you and Sam talking about it yesterday.
Wait. Eavesdropping is bad manners. And you know it. You know it, Steph.
Fred, can't you see? Open your eyes and see. Can't you see that Rita has bought the heart of Sam? Probably she has bought him with gifts and money. Can't you see?
That's not my business. It's not my business. This is my business. And you're disturbing me. Okay?
Why?
I need to get back to work.
Fred, why? Why are you doing this to me? Why? Is it because I was the one who came after you for the first time? Is it because I was the one who came to ask you out and not the other way around?
Step, please. Look at the amount of work I have. I beg you in the name of God, allow me to be productive today. Please.
Are you telling me that it's a crime for a woman to tell the man how much she loves him?
Let go. Steph.
Fred. Look at me, please. I'm sorry, look at me.
Get up, Steph.
No,
I have work to do.
Fred, I beg you.
I'll call the
I
Look,
beg you.
if you don't leave, I'll call the security.
I'm dying. You're hurting me. My heart is beating.
Stephanie!
Please, I beg you. Fred.
Security!
No!
Security!
Stop it!
My lover, I fit to do anything.
Fred,
For sweetie, darling.
you don't have to listen to these girls. They are trying all they can just to get into your skin.
And Steph was eavesdropping on us yesterday.
How is that possible?
She was at my office today.
And what did she say?
She was talking about you supporting Rita instead of her.
Even if it's true, does she expect me to support her after what she did? Don't tell me she's getting something out of you.
She's getting nothing. But I kind of had sympathy on her because of the way she was talking.
Sympathy on her? That should be wonderful. But you have to be very careful. It seems she's manipulating you.
How? Because I told you what she said?
Because you have a soft spot in your heart for her. I believe Rita deserves this shot and not her.
No, Sam. I'm the one who decides who gets any spot, not you.
I'm sorry, my prince. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
To my heart, show me the reason why I should love you. Melt my heart, show me the reason why I should love you.
I'm by the roadside.
What I need is love
The mechanic is
and
not
peace
here
of mind. Can you give it to me? Money not be everything. I need peace of mind. Money not be everything. I need peace of mind. Rushy, fire, Megodi on the horses.
Help me!
On the hum, rushy, fire, on the horses. Marry me, on the hum, now me you must marry on the horses. Marry me, on the hum, I don't do anything to get to you on the horses. Marry me, on the hum, on the horses. On the horses, on the marry me, on the hum, you must marry me on the horses, marry me, on the hum.
I'm not a mechanic, but I'm sure there's one or two things I might know about faulty starts. Okay, let's see what the battery will tell us. Let me try.
Keep the key.
Oh,
Thank you.
you're welcome. Please keep an eye on that area where I touched. Is there a spark?
No.
Okay.
Yes!
Whoa.
Thank you. Oh my God, it started. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You are welcome.
Thank
you. You are welcome. I'm glad I could make it work. All right. Okay. You are most welcome. Glad I could help. So what's your name?
My name is Sonia.
Sonia.
And you?
I'm Fred.
Thank you so much, Fred. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. See you around.
Right.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Drive carefully.
I will. And you too.
All right.
To my heart, show me the reason why I should love you. Melt my heart, show me the reasons why I should love you. What I need is love and peace of mind. Can you give it to me? Money not be everything. I need peace of mind. Money not be everything. I need peace.
What is it? Your call sounded so urgent.
Yes.
Has Fred finally decided to forgive me?
Yes.
Why are you touching me? You're making me uncomfortable. I don't like it too. I don't like it.
My dear, you are the one making me uncomfortable here.
How?
Okay. After the last time we met, I have not been myself. You have been on my neck. I can't even breathe in peace. I can't even think very well.
You are a man now. Control yourself. Which one is I can't think? Don't you have girlfriend? Eh? Good. See, you are going out of script. This is not our agreement. I only did what I did to ginger you to help me.
Rita.
What is all this?
Rita, I understand. See, Rita, even if I have a girlfriend, my girlfriend will not be as sweet as you are. Please. You know, what you did has turned me on. I can't even control myself, please.
Sam.
See, you are killing me.
Okay. Sam, now stop. Move yourself. What is wrong?
I got do anything to get to you.
Sam! Ow! My God!
You must marry me. On the whole season. Marry me.
Grace, when last did you check on your fiancé?
It's about 2 weeks now. Why do you ask?
What? 2 weeks?
Yes.
2 weeks, Grace. What about if something happened? You say now 1 week or whatever. I don't know. Why?
We are very busy with our work.
Busy for you to check on your fiancé, Grace.
Wait, is there something that I'm missing that you're not telling me?
Well, I just asked because I equally know you too well. Please check on him. I'm just saying nothing.
Thanks for your concern.
You're welcome. So what's about that top I asked?
Let's go to my house. I'll give you.
I can't continue this madness with these girls. I'm a prince, for God's sake. So much is expected of me. I'm under pressure from my people. I don't even know what to do. I'm confused. Huh?
Fred.
Hey, don't advise me to get another woman. Please. Because I have not gotten rid of the two that are hanging on my neck.
Fred, I am not advising you to go for another woman. Rather, I am telling you to make your choice. Then stick with it. Others will move on than having your hands fill up with these girls all the time. If you ask for my advice, I will say you should go for Rita.
Why are you suddenly drifting towards Rita instead of Steph? You never looked her way before.
Well, I thought about it and I realized that you have a better chance with Rita than Steph. Because you may not be able to control yourself if another ex-boyfriend of Steph comes into the town.
I think you're right. You have a point here. But Steph, you know, I see sincerity in Steph each time she comes to plead. You know? I think she's honest.
So what do you see in Rita?
Someone pompous, arrogant, full of herself, you know, showing off her wealth, riches, just to intimidate others. You know, a liar, a cheat that is just pretentiously hiding her bad behavior because she hasn't been caught.
Have you seen it? This is the reason she said I should come and talk to you on her behalf. Because she believes Steph has given you something to eat.
She gave me nothing. Look, it was all natural, okay? And I just feel sympathy for Steph. I'm not the type that can be swayed by penchant things, by the way. It was all natural.
Very well then. Let's see how it goes.
Now me you must marry on the whole season. Marry me on the
Yes.
I know I didn't tell you.
About what?
There is this girl I met recently.
Ha! Sam! Another girl? Oh, they plenty you. You should just hurry up and get married. Let me know I'm the only one left.
My brother, I'm waiting for you now. Once you get married now, we'll start thinking of that.
Another new one.
Meanwhile, I did my own JJJ. When this girl can carry overripe mango, way sweet like waiting I don't know, can't give me.
Oh boy, this one na chop and clean mouth.
No, I don't chop clean mouth. She still keep coming.
Who is this girl? Do I know her?
I met her in PH when my company went for a conference meeting. Yes. So since then we have been communicating. She keep coming. Nebelu.
You. I know you will not let go of this free Wi-Fi.
For where?
You won't let go.
Thank goodness you know it's a free Wi-Fi.
Hey.
I have to connect immediately. If not, another man will connect and even change the password. Log me out, safe. So I have to connect.
Now me you must marry on the whole season. Marry me on the I don't do anything to get to you on the whole season. Marry me.
Babe, are you not happy to see me?
Why won't I be happy to see you?
But your reaction speaks differently.
Which one is reaction again? Sweetheart, you know I miss you.
Really?
Yes, of course.
When last did you come to check up on your wife to be?
Sweetheart, you know the nature of my job. There is no way I can forget you. Even if I do, who will I have?
Yes, of course. So let's go.
Now me you must marry on the whole season. Marry me on the I don't do anything to get to you on the whole season. Marry me on the
My love, how has life been with you? And how are your parents?
So bad that you have not asked about my family, especially my mother that loves you so much.
My love, I have told you that my job is taking the best of me. But I will try and make out time for us.
As a man, you have not missed your wife to be. You have not felt it in your vein to invite me, if not that I came. Unlike before, you will not allow me to rest from the door. What is going on? Eh? Has someone taken my place?
My love, no one has taken your place in my heart. Like I said, do not worry yourself. We are staying all night and we have the whole night for ourselves. I will try and make it special for us. Okay?
Your love for me has subsided. What is going on? I know that you don't love me again.
Sweetheart, I love you. You are all I have. I can swear with my life that I am not seeing any other woman except you. Please, my love. Stop now, stop now. Am I not here now? I have really missed you. Or are you not missing me?
I miss you too.
So, can I have a little beg or kiss?
I'm not kissing you.
Stop now. Stop
no.
now. Why are you doing this? Oh, should
So
we go inside? You want it on bed?
Now me you must marry on the whole season. Marry me on the I don't do anything to get to you on the whole season. Marry me on the
How are you? Be nice there.
Good. So, when are you leaving?
What kind of question is that? Did I tell you that I'm leaving?
Oh, sorry. Never mind. Just ask.
Okay. Well, I have called my office to extend my off till next week.
Why?
Babe, are you not missing me? Baby, please stop. I miss you. I want to stay with you.
But I'm concerned about your job.
You don't need to. See you.
I miss you.
Keep going.
Okay. In that case, I will see you later in the evening.
Okay.
Okay? Take good care of yourself.
And you too. Bye.
Now me you must marry on the whole season. Marry me on the I don't do anything to get to you on the whole season. Marry me on the
Yeah, we met accidentally. Her name is Tonya. Tonya, this is my friend Sam.
Hi, Sam.
Oh.
Tonya.
Oh, you're welcome. You're good to go? I'm good. Okay. So, can I take your number again this time? There you go.
So you beat me so I can have yours.
Sure, right now. Okay. We're about to hit the restaurant now. If you're not doing much, why don't you join us?
I have an emergency. I wish I could, but unfortunately I can't. I need to leave immediately.
All right.
Please, we'll do this some other time.
Stay in touch.
You're always welcome.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
Bye.
Take care of yourself.
All right, you too.
Now me you must marry on the whole season. Marry me on the I don't do anything to get to you on the whole season. Marry me on the whole season. On the whole season.
You are not eating your food? And why are you staring at me like that?
I keep wondering what could change you.
How do you mean?
everything, Sam. The urge for me is not there. Even when you make love with me, as if I force it on you. Is there something that I'm not doing well? Tell me so that I can improve in that area. And if there's something that I did wrong, tell me, I can plead for forgiveness.
Grace, we are having an internal issue about money in my office. And the whole error is channeled on my side. That alone can push me into something else. I am deeply sorry. And I promise to make it up to you.
I believe you.
Thank you. Can you eat now?
Sure.
Or should I feed you?
No.
No, you are a very beautiful girl.
Thank you.
Anyway, this food is very sweet.
Okay. I'm so glad you got all you wanted, all you needed.
Oh, yes.
Or should we go back again?
No, we are good. We actually do not need anything, but because you insisted, we decided to pick a few. So,
Okay, so like I promised you, today is going to be a day of stops after stops. So our next stop will be the Chinese restaurant.
Oh my God.
Master Lee Chinese restaurant. And Chef Master Lee is my friend. He has promised me an exclusive meal for us.
Whoa,
Are you ready?
So, yes, of course, we're ready.
Good.
no, can we?
Yes, we are ready. We can actually go with you.
Look, I promise you, Tonya, you will love the meals. Chef Master Lee is a professional and he's going to make you love every bite of his meal.
Oh, yes, of course. We can.
We go?
Yeah, we can go.
Awesome. So, yes. Can we go with my car?
We can actually.
No, I'll drive. I will drive behind you.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I can't leave my car here.
That's true.
Yes,
That's true.
we can after him. Yes.
Oh,
All
okay.
right. Okay, ladies.
Oh, really?
Okay, fine.
Okay, yeah.
So just